Dear students, hope you all are learning and revising your lessons at home. Chapter 14 Adverbs is in continuation and we have already discussed adverb of time, frequency, place, manner and degree. The sixth kind of adverb is adverb of reason. Words like hence, thus, therefore are adverbs of reason. For example, he therefore left the school. Here therefore is the adverb of reason. Next example, we faced lot of problems, hence we wrote a complaint. What was the reason of our writing a complaint? That we faced lot of problems. So hence is adverb of reason. Now adverb of affirmation and negation. Words such as yes, surely, definitely, certainly are used as adverb of affirmation. Affirmation means agreeing with a statement. Examples: yes, I know about it. Surely he can pass the exam. Here yes, surely are adverbs of affirmation. Words such as no, not are used as adverb of negation. For example, no, it cannot be true. Negation means to say that something does not exist. Adverb of interrogation or interrogative adverbs. Words such as why, how, when, where, these are adverbs of interrogation. They are used to ask questions. Why are you late? How can you say that? Next is relative adverbs. Words such as why, how, when, where. When these words are used to combine two simple sentences to make a complex sentence, then they are called relative adverbs. For example, the reason why I am late is I got up late. Don't be confused about relative adverbs and interrogative adverbs. They are same. WH words are relative adverbs as well as interrogative adverbs. But when WH words are used to join two sentences, then they are called relative, and when WH words are used to ask question, then they are interrogative adverbs. Now the last kind is adverb of exclamation. The word how is called adverb of exclamation. For example, how clever he is. Now you can see here some important points. Some of the adverbs may belong to more than one class. For example, she sings delightfully. Here delightfully is adverb of manner. It answers the question how she sings. The answer is delightfully. Next, the weather is delightfully cool. Here delightfully is adverb of degree. To what extent the weather is cool? Here it is showing degree. That is why it is adverb of degree. Now don't go far. Here far is adverb of place. But in the next sentence, he is far better now. Here far is adverb of degree. Because we are talking about how much better he is now. That is far better. For today, up to here only. Keep learning, keep revising. Thank you.